Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at a crucial component for anyone with a Polk Audio SurroundBar 3000 IHT system, a replacement AC DC adapter from Accessory USA. If you've lost your original power supply or it stopped working, finding a reliable replacement is key to getting your soundbar back up and running. This particular adapter is designed specifically for the Polk Audio SurroundBar 3000 IHT, including models like the 3000 IHT and IHT 3000, ensuring it's compatible with your home entertainment system. One of the most important aspects of a power adapter is safety and reliability. This Accessory USA adapter is described as brand new and high quality, tested to meet or even exceed the original manufacturer's specifications. It comes with several built-in safety protections: OVP, which is over voltage protection, preventing damage from power surges; OCP, over current protection, safeguarding against drawing too much power; and SCP, short circuit protection, which is essential for preventing electrical hazards. These features are vital for protecting your valuable Polk soundbar. Furthermore, it's CE, FCC, and RoHS certified, indicating it meets various international safety and environmental standards. It uses a standard barrel connector designed to plug directly into your compatible Polk SurroundBar 3000 model. The listing emphasizes checking your specific device model before purchasing, which is always good advice to ensure a perfect fit and proper power delivery. So, if you're in need of a dependable power source for your Polk Audio SurroundBar 3000 IHT, this Accessory USA adapter appears to be a solid option, built with safety features and designed for compatibility to get your sound system powered up correctly.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.